Hi, you guys. I am going to walk you through how to do today's assignment. So, what you do once you are logged into ClassLink, you hopefully also went to the Google Apps folder, wherever yours is, and you logged into your Gmail account, because by doing that, the virtual classroom will actually load for you instead of asking you to authorize it. So, you're logged into ClassLink and you hopefully logged into Gmail. And then you will log into your Canvas, go to the Canvas app, and give my computer just a second to log me in. So what you do once you are logged into Canvas, you will go to your science course, and I'm just going to use first period as an example. So once you are in your course, if you logged into your Gmail account for the day, then you'll be able to see our virtual classroom. And today's agenda is to go to the module titled Friday, 8/14/2020 and watch the assignment instructions that will be loaded under there. And then once you are done watching the assignment instructions that I'm videoing right now, you will then complete the Flipgrid show and tell. So that is your plan for the day. I am going to switch over to student view so that you see what it looks like on the student side instead of just the teacher side. So click over to student view, and since my test student has not logged into their Gmail, it does not load the classroom. So it would be there if they had logged in. But when you scroll down, you're going to click the Learn button. So once you click the Learn button, it takes you right to our modules, and I'm going to collapse the modules that we don't need. So you only need this module right here, the one titled Friday, 8/14/2020. And you will actually, there will be an assignment in here or a link that says 8/14/2020 assignment instructions, but since I'm videoing them right now, they're not in the module just yet. But once you have watched the instructions, then you can go to the actual assignment for the day, which is this Flipgrid show and tell. And it should look like this for you. So, woohoo, we're going to do a show and tell today, you guys. So what you do is you will scroll down, and your plan is to hunt for two things in your house. And the first item should be something that you feel represents this year, this school year. And the second item should be something that you love. So once you find those two items, then you can record a response. And I created one so that you can see kind of an idea or an example of what your Flipgrid should look like. So I'm going to play it for you. For my show and tell, the first object that I found to represent this year is a pinwheel, because we have to learn how to go with the flow and make the best of every situation. And my second object, something that I love, is my bullet journal. I make one at the beginning of every year, and it's basically a planner, but all the pages are originally blank. And I draw and create a spread or a setup that I can doodle on and use calligraphy with, and I can keep track of all of my tasks and everything for the day, but it's a way for me to do so creatively. So that is my show and tell. Bye, you guys. Okay, so each class period has the same objects, but I recorded one for every single class period. So you guys have a little difference amongst it. So you do want to go ahead and watch my video, especially if you're not in first period, because yours will look a little different than theirs did, just slightly. But once you kind of know what to do and you have your two items to show and tell, then you will click this record a response button, or you can click this giant red circle. Either or, it's the same thing. So you click it And I am going to actually record a response for you guys. So it should look just like this. And this says step 1 of 4. So you have to record. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds to record your video. Click anywhere to dismiss. So I'm just going to click on it. And hey, here I am recording this video for you guys. So let me just click this record button and make a double video. So I'll count you down. Hi, my name is Miss B, and I'm recording a Flipgrid video response, trying to show and tell some stuff. Here's my glasses. Yeah, you just fill in your information here in your own Flipgrid, and then you pause it when you are done. So, once you pause it, then you click next. And if you want to play with the effects, you totally can. But then you click next. And this is where you review. Hi, my name is Miss B, and I'm recording so this is where you can edit your video, or if you don't like it, you can fix it. You can add more, you can delete clips, you can play with it basically. So it's just a way for you to edit your little show and tell if you want to. And once you are done editing, and I didn't edit mine at all, I just said it all aloud and then clicked next and moved on and moved on and moved on. But that is your choice. Once you are done reviewing and you're happy with your little Flipgrid, then you click the next button again, the little green next button, and you're going to take a selfie. So you snap a picture to be the thumbnail of your Flipgrid. So you click on the directions to make them go away, and then you'll click this button down here to take your selfie. So I'm going to make a goofy face because I did a smiling face originally. So there's my selfie. So then I click next. And once you are ready, you have to actually submit your video to me. That's your last step. So for the display name, we don't want it to be test student, which that's what I currently am. So that's what automatically loaded. If it does not have your first and last name here, then I need you to add it. So I'm going to put my first and last name for you guys. So you put your name there, and you don't have to fill in any of this other stuff, just your display name. And then you click submit. And you are done. So that means you turned in the topic to me. So then you hit complete, and that's it. So look, there's my response. So whenever you guys are done, you actually can scroll down and you can see other people's responses and other people's show and tell stuff. So it's a way to have show and tell with the class without actually being together. And that is all you do for today's assignment. If you have any questions or something is not working for you, then please do not hesitate to send me an email, and I will do the best that I can to help you. But that is all you have to do. So make good choices, and I will see you guys later. Bye.